In October this year, I won't be able to walk down the street. There'll be so many people and the atmosphere will be alive. These streets will be filled with motorcycles as far as the eye can see. There'll be literally thousands and thousands of motorcycles ready to make their way down to Phillip Island for the Grand Prix. For the first time, this event will be covered in its entirety, starting right here in Cranbourne and finishing down at Cowes in Phillip Island. This is a ground floor opportunity to get in on the action. Call me now, Bob Halsall, on 0402 908 657 and let me tell you what Gemax Productions can do for you.